everybody. We have some train units. All train XRs. One of these just kicked on. Could have exited defrost. I just shut off.